back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by YBWigs. So shout out to YBWigs for sending me this unit. And right now I'm just showing you what all comes in the packaging. I will say this was different because they actually sent me earrings. Like, I was looking at it like, are these earrings? Okay, y'all. So this unit is a 613 12-inch bob that was sent to me by this company, and it is a frontal unit. And this is what it looks like. Believe it or not, I'm not gonna dye this bob, but I'll give you all details and information about that in the outro. Right here, I'm just kind of showing you guys the hairline and showing you that the wig construction, it does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. I did decide to cut the 3 combs in the front out just for comfortability. You guys know I can't talk, but yeah, just for comfort. So right here I am going in and just straightening the bob some because I did want to go more for that straight look, and you guys will see that later on. There's not a whole lot I gotta say about this unit. Everything that needs to be said, I will definitely be saying it in the outro. I just wanted to come to you guys, say what's up, you know. And yeah, let you guys know that this unit was from YBWigs, and also to let you guys know, if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. Click it, because you might not make it to the end. So I gotta tell you now. So if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button. Also, if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the outro. All the information about this unit will be listed down below in the description box for you guys convenient, and a direct link to YBWigs. So yeah, stay tuned for the outro, and yeah, I will see you love bugs in the outro. So bye. love bugs. I am completely finished styling this wig, and I know this color may be a shock to your system, honey. You may be like, girl, what's good? It may be a shock to your system, and honestly, I really did not plan to wear this color hair. I did get this color to dye it. And after talking to the company, they was kind of like they really wanted me to showcase their 613 hair and blah, blah, blah. Eventually, they did say, you know, it's okay. You can dye it. Just, you know, showcase the 613 and then dye it, whatever. Because that's why I got the 613. Because, as you guys know, I really don't care for a 613 because a lot of times it looks yellow blonde. Now, I will be honest, y'all. This 613 is not very yellow. I thought it was, but it is really not. It's more of a white blonde. So I do like that about it. But it's still a shock to your system, honey. I'm giving you Daenerys Targaryen over here, okay? That's a Game of Thrones pun. If you don't watch Game of Thrones, sis, get with it. Get with it. But anyways, yeah, the hair was sent to me by YBWigs. And let me get all my info out. YBWigs sent me this 613 12-inch bob. Now, I initially asked for a 10-inch, I think, but they only had the 12-inch available. And, yeah, I asked for a 10-inch only because I wanted it to be straight, and I do not have a long neck. Like, you know, this is my neck. So, I kind of didn't want it to fall on my shoulders, but you know what? It's all good in the hood. The hair in itself, y'all, I'm not going to lie. It's really nice hair. Like, I did not put even my Sally Henson spray. Oh, hold on, I'm digressing. I'm going on a whole nother tangent, sis. Okay, the hair in itself, I have not experienced any shedding. It is not super dry. It's full. The texture is nice. I'm feeling the hair in itself. And then when it comes to the lace, because, honey, I'm one of those people that really care more about the lace than I do in the hair in itself. Because to me, hair can be manipulated. You know, if it's a little tangly, I don't care. If it's a little whatever, I don't care. I can manipulate that. But when it comes to the lace and stuff, I want my lace to be bomb, okay? I want my lace to be bomb. And when it comes to this lace on this hair, on this bob, y'all did not bleach these knots. I did not apply my Sally Henson leg spray. I did nothing. The hair also, I did not tweeze the hairline. I didn't do no extra stuff to the hairline either. So that's what that looks like right here. Now, true enough, this is maybe a little slightly dense, but I didn't even tweeze that because I was like, I'm not going to be wearing it in a style where you're going to see that. But to me, it's still not bad. And the lace, honey, child, the lace just melted in my skin. And you know, your girl likes that. Even with the color, like I said, even with the color, although I'm not a fan of 613, like I usually, the only reason I'm going to get 613, y'all, I'm having this thing in my head that I'm blurry, okay? Okay. Even though I'm not a fan of 613, because the hair is more whitish blonde than yellowish blonde, and I hope that's coming off on camera that you guys see it's more white than yellow, I don't mind it. I don't mind it whatsoever. Now, for some reason, you're good looking a little pale. I'm somebody that really likes to look tan, and I don't know if that's the hair. Let me take these earrings back. I don't know if that's the hair that's making me look pale or what, but I don't like to look pale, child. She don't like that. But the hair in itself, I feel like is really, really nice. The cut is really, really nice. Like, I love the cut of this hair. I feel like this hair was done really nice. So, shout out to you, YBWigs. And it's full enough. Like, in the back especially, when it comes to bobs, I really want my back to be full. And with this hair, it is full. And it is cut at an angle. Like, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm feeling this wig. Especially for it to be 613. I am definitely feeling this wig. I was a little apprehensive about the hair and all of that stuff. But y'all, I'm sold. Like, I'm sold on this color. I'm sold on everything. So, shout out to you, YBWigs. Shout out to you for this unit. It's gorgeous. So, shedding tangles, obviously non-existent. You see me running my fingers through it. Now, I will say when I got the unit, I did run through it with my chi iron just to get it, you know, to the level of straightness that I wanted. So I did do that on both the sides and in the back some, just because I didn't want no bump in it whatsoever. I kind of wanted that straight Yara. If you're a synthetic wig wearer, you know what Yara is. I wanted kind of that look without that look. I didn't want it to be as blunt because this is not a super blunt cut, but I did want that kind of straight, you know, bob. You know what I mean? So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. And like I said, I did nothing really to this wig other than I bumped it with my chi irons. I did use my hot comb and my tea bedhead wax stick to lay this area down some. And I did apply my Fit Me. I don't know where it's at. I also did apply my Fit Me pressed powder to that hairline, just, you know, to make that match a little bit more. And that's it. Like, chat Journey. Journey won't let me be great, y'all. If you have been watching me a minute, you know about my baby, okay? Journey Brown, she's getting better. She's getting better. But anyways, y'all, that's basically it. I'm finna go and do a little song with my kids, chill with my kids, or whatever. But I like the wig. I would recommend you guys checking out YBWigs. I would recommend you checking out this 613 bob. If you're looking for a cute 613 bob that's not too yellow, they're your peeps, okay? They also told me that they add dark roots to 613 hair. If that's what you want, if that's what you're looking for, if you want a 613 but you're kind of scared, you know, of having it without the dark roots, then they also offer that. Like, yes, they also offer ash blonde. I know this because I was intending to dye this wig ash blonde. They was like, no, we offer ash blonde. So if you guys are interested in any of that, in any of those colors, in a human hair wig that will, in a company that will basically do what you want, y'all, they seem to really, you know, customize it to your liking. So I will have all the direct info and everything about this wig, everything about the company down below. Not everything about the company. I will have a direct link to the company down below in the description box, and everything you need to know about this hair down below in the description box. So definitely check them out. And also, if you're interested in this tiki bed head stick, I will put a direct link down below for it as well, honey. It's life. I love this thing. It really lays the hair down for me. Anyways, y'all, that's basically it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, so what are you doing with your life? What's good? Why are you not subscribed? Click the subscribe button. Also, if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.